Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking eligibility and scheduling so everything else aligns. Once confirmed, run the Bootcamp Nclex baseline diagnostic to identify high-yield weaknesses. This tells you what to prioritize. Set 2 3-hour daily study blocks and assemble ID and test rules. That reduces friction. Make sure to pick the module sequence that matches your diagnostic gaps: MedSurg, Pharmacology, Maternal Child, because focused practice beats random review. Start the first timed question, set immediately, to set momentum and measure pacing. Once done with the baseline, shift into a deliberate practice loop. Complete timed mixed sets of 50-75 questions, and then remediate every missed concept with short targeted review. Use spaced repetition flashcards for facts and mnemonics, and spend 20-30 minutes on focused topic drills where you're weakest. Make sure to log % correct, common distractors, and average time per item so you can tweak daily goals. By iterating practice, review, and adjustment, you reinforce reasoning and reduce careless errors. In the final phase, do at least one full-length NCLEX simulation under strict test conditions to rehearse stamina and pacing. Once complete, analyze patterns, which question types or topics repeatedly cause trouble, and re-drill those with focus sets. Make sure to review adaptive test strategies and alternate formats like SATA and prioritization. If things go wrong, isolate pattern errors using Bootcamp Analytics and target those concepts with short, high-frequency drills. This focused correction prevents repeat mistakes on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.